Hi, my name is Brayden from East Haven, Connecticut, and I am 10 years old and I go to Tedder Elementary School, and I made the Easy Pan 3.0. No spatula needed. So, this is the famous Easy Pan. So it's just basically a pan with two sides and it folds. So, before all this, I was thinking, because we go camping a lot with my family, and I was looking at my mom and dad while they were cooking, and they were using the spatula after they took out, and it took a couple minutes. And I was thinking, can I find an easier way to do this without it taking a couple minutes, maybe a couple seconds? So when I got home, I looked online, and there was nothing at all. Not on Amazon, not on eBay, not on Google, not on anything. So this is how you use it. So it's a pan. It folds in half, has two sides. This one's for smaller portions, and then this one is for if you want to use all of it. So, as I was saying, as my parents cooked, they probably did it like this. It took forever, baby. So, after I was doing it, how I came up with the invention was me and my dad, we went to Home Depot and Lowe's, and we looked for hinges. We got a hinge, and we also looked for spray paint, and we got the spray paint. And it's orange, as you see. But first, we have to say goodbye to this, because no one needs it anymore. And you just have to fold it in half. Dump it, and then there. That's good. So some of the issues that I had while making it was the edges, because once we cut these weren't all that smooth. Some of them was pointing out and all that. So for that, I went to my uncle's house. I was taught how to use a grinder, which is a tool that you can use to sharpen down and smooth down the edges. And I used that to smooth down all of this, as you can see. And another problem that I had was with the spray paint. So after the first time I spray painted it on, then another coat, I noticed that it started to get bubbly and all that. And then the next day we came out, it was all everywhere. It was wet still. So in the future, I was thinking we could do smaller pans, maybe some medium, like this size pans, and then maybe some bigger pans if you want to do bigger foods. And I was also thinking maybe we could do different colors than orange. We could do blue, red, something like that. Or we could also do handles where you could just go like that. And my name is Brayden Kuhn again, and this is me and my Easy Pan. And I would like to thank you all for putting this all together, because we all know we couldn't be there right now because of the coronavirus. And hope you all are safe right now. Thank you, and goodbye.